Okay, so on the left-hand column here we have some type that is aligned left, and we'd like to make it justified, which means both flush left and flush right. So I'm going to double click in here with my black arrow tool and it turns into the type tool. Then I'll do a Command A or Control A and select all the type, and then I'll do Command Shift J to make it justified. And what we see here is that there are a lot of pretty large word spaces, and this is often a problem with justified type, and I'm going to show you how to make it look better. So what we'll do is, first of all, make a copy of this column. So I will hold down the Option key and click and drag to the right and make a column of that text frame. And we'll just leave the one on the left the way it is so we can compare the two later. The first thing I'm going to do here on the right-hand column is select all the text and go to the paragraph attributes at the top here in the control panel and check hyphenate. And right off the bat we see the word spacing has already improved. But we can do a lot more than that. And so here's what we'll do. I'll do Command A or Control A again to select all the text. And I'm going to go up here to the Control Panel menu. And in the Control Panel menu, we'll see that we can have make some changes to the justification settings and the hyphenation settings. So we'll start with the hyphenation settings. And that's from the Control Panel menu. And we go here into the hyphenation settings, and these are the default settings. And I just think we can improve these. So I'm going to just do a 7, 3, 3, 1. And what this means is words have to have at least 7 letters before they get hyphenated. And it will hyphenate after the first 3 or before the last 3. That means ing words will be hyphenated, but ed words will not be hyphenated, if that makes sense. And the hyphen limit is 1, which means you'll never have 2 lines of type in a row that end in a hyphen. So that's good. And we'll leave the hyphenation zone the way it is. We don't want to hyphenate capitalized words, which are usually names of people or names of cities. We don't want to hyphenate the last word in a paragraph because we don't want just part of a word on the last line in a paragraph. And we don't want to hyphenate across a column, meaning at the end of one column we don't want part of a word and then the rest of the word at the top of the next column. So these are the custom hyphenation settings that I use, and you first have to select the text before you set these hyphenation settings, which we did. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And we see again already the word spacing has improved quite a bit. But let's do some more. I'm going to do a Control A or Command A to select all the text here. And we'll go back up to the Control Panel menu to look for justification. And there it is right there. We'll go to the justification settings. And here is the justification settings dialog box. Ironically, I'm going to leave word spacing the way it is. But I'm going to change letter spacing to -2%. Oops. Try again. -2%. We'll leave the desired at 0 and the maximum at 2%. Then for glyph scaling, we'll make this one 98%, leave that 100, and change this one to 102. So what this means is we have changed it so InDesign will change the letter spacing to make it a little tighter, -2%, or a little bit looser, +2%, depending on what it needs to do to make each line look good in justified type. Again, it will also scale the letters, glyph scaling. It'll scale the letters a little bit narrower, 98%, or up to 102% wider. So this is actually increasing or decreasing the width of the letters just a little bit. And this combination of doing a little bit tighter letter spacing or a little bit looser letter spacing, plus making the letters a little bit narrower or a little bit wider, is not going to be noticeable by the readers consciously, but on a subconscious level, the word spacing is going to be improved quite a lot. And this is because we're using the Composer, Adobe Paragraph Composer, and that's what we do want to use, Adobe Paragraph Composer. InDesign will compare every line in the paragraph and decide which letter spacing to tighten or loosen. It'll decide which letters to make slightly narrower or slightly wider in order to make the overall word spacing look better in the entire paragraph. So we'll go ahead and click OK, and then we'll do a comparison of our two columns here, and I'll do a Shift W to go into presentation mode. Oh, and that's not working right now. Let me see. And I'll go back to the black arrow selection tool and try it again. Shift W. There we go. Okay, now we're in presentation mode, and we can compare the two columns. And I think you can see the word spacing on the right-hand column is much better. And this is what is called typographic color. Even typographic color is where the letter spacing and word spacing seems to be the same throughout the entire paragraph. And we've got it pretty close now, and it looks much better.